Resistance training throughout your pregnancy is great to do. It keeps your body and your mind healthy and strong, but it is recommended that you work to about 70 to 80% of the intensity that you were working at before your pregnancy, and also give yourself plenty of time to rest between sets of exercises, about 1 minute to 2 minutes. I'll give you some examples of exercises you can do with dumbbells. So simple bicep curls are great. You can be standing or seated to do all of these exercises. So as you are going out throughout your pregnancy, it is probably better to sit down so your heart rate is just down a little bit lower and you can support your joints and your back especially. And so shoulder work is excellent to do forwards and sideways. You can do shoulder presses up overhead, especially when you are working overhead though. Give yourself plenty of rest in between because your heart rate will just come up a little bit higher. When you're standing, make sure you have a bit of a bend into your knees. Check your posture is strong, so lengthen your lower back. You want to feel like you're tilting your pelvis just a little bit so you can support this whole area. Rows are great to do, and tricep kickbacks, and then rear shoulder raises. Now for your lower body, squats, either with your weights down by the side of you, you can do goblet squats right in front, maybe if you want to, a squat and then a shoulder press. Deadlifts especially are great to do. So with dumbbells, feet about hip width apart, but you might want to take them a bit wider, just depending on your body. And then you want to have a little soft bend into your knees, draw your weights down to mid-shin, and then back up again, maintaining a neutral spine. Stick your hips back, your weight is into your heels, and then gently coming up again. Breathing especially is really important. So when in the exertion, you exhale at that point. So with a deadlift, you'd exhale as you stand up. I hope that's given you some idea and some good tips to do throughout your pregnancy with resistance training, and I will give you some examples of combinations of exercises you can do later on.